You just got a raise. Your first instinct is to upgrade something. A nicer apartment, a newer car, a better version of the life you already have. Feels like progress. But the real answer is far more surprising. That single decision, repeated over a career, is the exact reason most people never see their first $100,000. It's called lifestyle inflation. Your income grows. Your spending grows right alongside it. The gap between what you earn and what you keep never widens. So no matter how much money passes through your hands, none of it stays long enough to grow. Sound familiar? Thomas J. Stanley, who spent decades studying America's wealthy for his book, The Millionaire Next Door, found something almost nobody expected. Most millionaires didn't get rich from a huge salary. They got rich because they kept their spending flat while their income rose. High earners who spent like high earners often ended up with less net worth than modest earners who simply didn't. Here's the part that changes everything. Money that gets invested early doesn't just sit there. It compounds. Warren Buffett built the majority of his fortune after age 50, not because he found some secret formula late in life, but because he started investing as a teenager and let decades of compounding do the heavy lifting. Time, not timing, is the real engine of wealth. So why does the mistake keep happening? Behavioral economist Richard Thaler, who won the Nobel Prize for his work on how people actually behave with money, showed that humans consistently favor a smaller reward now over a much larger reward later. This is called present bias. Your brain treats a new phone today as more real than a bigger retirement fund 20 years from now. The future account doesn't feel like yours yet, so you protect the present instead. Imagine two people earning the same salary. One raises their spending every time their paycheck grows. The other keeps their expenses fixed and invests the difference. After 10 years, their bank balances look similar. After 30 years, one of them has built real wealth, and the other is still starting over. The gap wasn't talent. It wasn't luck. It was one repeated decision made quietly year after year. The first $100,000 is the hardest to build and the most expensive to delay, because every dollar not invested today is a dollar that never gets the chance to compound. Once that first $100,000 exists, it starts pulling its own weight. It earns money without you working for it. That's the real turning point, and it's why so few people ever reach it. So the next time your income grows, ask yourself something before you spend the difference. Are you upgrading your life, or are you postponing your future? Because the raise was never the reward. What you do with it is.